Ooh. So we're gonna see some fireworks, right? Are there actually fireworks? Because they said something about fireworks. Oh, so we could have tried to do this for New Year's too, huh? The fireworks are gonna look so much cooler than mine. You guys are gonna be like, wow, I mean, you did those fireworks? That's lame. You could have done these fireworks.
A few moments later.
On the count of 1, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Wow! That was lame. My fireworks were way better. 3, 2, 1. Mine were way cooler. That's it.